Okay, so we got him to reverse direction. We also need to get him to speed up and slow down, which is what these two paragraphs are about. We need a method called speed up and a method called slow down, and that will increase the speed by 1 pixel per tick. And the other one will decrease it by 1 pixel per tick, but we can't have a negative speed, so we'll not let it go below 0. Okay, the methods are going to be pretty easy to write. So speed up and slow down. If runner is less than 0, that's runner speed, not runner. Then bring it back up to 0. Okay. And then I need to check for some more buttons, or actually thumbsticks this time. Pad dot thumbsticks dot, I think we said left thumbstick, yes. If that is greater than 0, then we're going to speed him up. And, oh, we got to do a check for the previous state too. So if it's less than 0 and previous pad dot left was equal to 0, then speed up. If pad dot thumbsticks left is less than 0 and previous pad dot thumbsticks dot left was equal to 0, then slow down. Okay. And this is the Y value. I forgot that. Forgot we got two directions here, so I got to tell it which one. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm going to push the thumbstick up and back down, and it finally gets to 0. He doesn't stop running, but he stops making any progress. So that appears to be working, and let's see what else we have to do over here on the test. An array of sprite structs called fighter. So let's flip back over here, go up to our declaration area, and an array looks like this, and set the in initialize, set it to hold 5 elements. So okay. Okay, initial the position. And what did I do wrong here? Okay. And then I want to initialize each element. And I want to set the fighter at this position. And I want his source, no, not source, position, dot x equal to 100 times I. So we're spreading them out at 100 pixel intervals. And I also Source rectangle is null, color is white, sprite effect is none. Okay. Color we said was white. And the source, I think we said was null. Sprite effect is none. Which we just called effect, didn't we? And we gotta do a loop, okay. And in the draw method, draw it using a loop, and I did not specify the width and the height here. Let's make it 100 by 100. I think if you go back over here and look at Fighter, and I didn't intend for it to open there, but its size is 100 by 100, so we can just do it at its regular size. Fighter.source equals, okay, we can't do it there, but I think we can send a null argument to the draw method. So let's go down here. And normally we'd make the 5 a named constant, but we don't have to worry about that on a test. So what I want to do is not runner. And the source we said we could use null. Rotation is 0. Origin is going to be 0. Scale is going to be 1. And layer depth is, whoops. And oh wait, I've got that stored in the Fighter, don't I? Okay. And it doesn't like that one. Okay, texture, position, source, color, 0, 0. Oh, I left out the scale. Okay, I think it'll like that one better. Okay. And now let's run it. We should see 5 fighters at the top left. Except I told you I forgot to... Okay, I've got a null texture here. I forgot to... let's stop the program here. Forgot to read them in. Load content. Okay, now let's see what happens. There they are. And we don't have to do anything more than just put them up on the screen like that, just to make sure you can use an array. And that's the end of the practice test.